Hi, I'm Tricia from Nature Lover, and today we are at the Morrison Dam Conservation Area. We're heading down the MacNaughton Trail just outside of Exeter, Ontario. It's a beautiful April day. We just got through a couple of days of really cold weather and lots of rain, so we're super excited to be outside today. It's sunny, it's still a little cool. There's a nice breeze coming off of the Ausable River, which is keeping the temperature a little bit cooler than we had anticipated. But we're heading off in that direction behind me to check out this trail. So come along. See lots of water standing around everywhere. Hopefully the trail isn't too mucky. Got some nice new steps and bridge that goes across the river.
Look at it. How long that is. How long that is. Ouchie wawa.
What sign we got here? Dogs on leash. Oh, that's adorable. Looks like Chloe. Stoop. Scoop. So there's the map of the MacNaughton-Morrison Trail. We are starting over here. We parked at the Morrison Line near the Morrison Dam. And we're going to head down the trail on the north side, all the way down to the Stirling Bridge. And then we're going to come across the bridge and head back. So I'm not quite sure how far. I believe the information said that the trail is just over 4K if you did the whole thing. So we're not planning on doing the whole thing today. I'm still having issues with my feet. I have to get across some muddy sections. We've had a lot of rain this week, and the water levels in all of the rivers are very high. So we came north away from Petrolia instead of going south because the watershed drains down toward Lake Erie and Lake Huron instead of where we are right now. So waiting for my two favorite people to come and meet me. One's busy sniffing, the other one's busy videotaping.
Beautiful blue sky today. I think Chloe found a bunny. Hello, love.
Hello.
How are you liking your walk?
It's pretty.
It's very pretty.
This really drained well, eh?
Yeah. Look at the sky.
Got this really low area, but that little stream there is like almost completely dried. Or not dried, but it's just running really, really small. So
Slow. Ouch. Oh! Chloe, wait! Chloe, wait! Come! Chloe, come! Chloe, come! Chloe! Chloe, come! Good girl! Yay! Good girl! Yay! No, not that way! This way! You're gonna get so totally trashed. Yes. All right. We're both covered in mud. Let me see your feet. You did better than I did. Look at my shoes.
you see the little trout lily. They're just starting. I don't know if you can see the little yellow closed buds. It's another bloodroot. Stop. You okay?
Yeah. You did anything that I could think of. Oh. She really wants to go down there. I let her down over there.
Right.
And it's just muck. And I brought her back up, and now she wants to go back down, but I can't let her. So she'll pretty much drown. So.
Okay, so we're on the other side of the Ausable River. And again, if we head that way, we head toward Exeter. But we're not. What'd you find?
Grapevine.
Grapevines.
Look at that. It's like Roshni's hair. Look at that.
Very curly.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Like Roshni's hair.
Not like my flat, straight hair. What a beautiful little spot, eh? Ooh, pretty. Oh, look at this little area here. Like they have little meetings or something. Another sign. Test your knowledge. Life in the river. So the trail is well used. We have seen some people along it this morning. People walking together, people walking their dogs. Everybody has been on a leash so far. Not the people, of course. And that's pretty wonderful. Haven't seen a lot of dog waste on the side of the trail that we have to avoid. So that's pretty amazing. Yay for people from Exeter for taking good care of their trails. Seen some ducks and some robins and heard some woodpeckers, chickadees. This is a really nice trail. Super nice. And even after all the rain that we've had.
Look, would you like to stop for a wood duck? Because there's one over there. There's a wood duck.
Where?
And there's a, what do you call that thing with the orange breast? Look, that thing with the orange breast. Something towhee. Right up there.
Rufus side at Toby?
Yeah, it's up there in that tree. It's been going back and forth across the center. That's why I've been waiting to show you all these birds. Where'd he go? He's just in that tree right there.
Where'd you see the wood duck?
The wood duck was over there.
In a tree or?
Yeah, he was on that tree over there that's broken. At first I thought it was another bird, and then I realized, oh my god, it's a duck in a tree. It's got to be a wood duck. I couldn't really see him running backward.
Well, yeah, that's
But it's a duck in a tree.
a duck in the tree. So strange but true, I did just see a cormorant fly overhead. Oh, I finally found them. I thought for sure they'd be gone, like, forever. She kind of jinxed herself just when she said how she was doing so well today. And then she got all frappy, zoomy. Chitra's getting pulled around like a little rag doll by the puppy this morning. Oh wow. They're like oh. Oh dear. So this is nice that they built this little bridge. Seems like the beginning and the end of this trail, the closest part to the dam, are these are the cedar forests. Well, I guess there's some pine trees too, so cedar and pine forests. Beautiful new gazebo area. And there's the Morrison Dam. On the other side of that road is Morrison Dam Conservation Area. my goodness. Who's a Spazzy McGee? Who is Who's a Spazzy McGee? Thanks for joining us on this trail day. We hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below. Leave us some comments about what you liked. Maybe suggest some trails in the area we should check out. And please hit that subscribe button. Check out our videos every Thursday here at Nature Lover Canada on YouTube. And go to our website, www.naturelover.ca. Hope you got out today and enjoyed this beautiful day. And we'll see you again out there.
Okay. It's alright. It's on the mud up here. Put some mud back on. Guess what? I know you see the car. There's no window. Okay.
She's like, I'm short enough. I can go under that, Mom. Dog has never met a mulch pile she didn't love.